Shakey's B-League, rolling along here on Active. We hope you're enjoying the remainder of August. September na!
Ang bilis! Tawas! Ang bilis-bilis, Burmans na!
Yeah, Torres had to hustle for that one. Di makulangan with the setup job for Nene Bautista.
Ayan.
Yeah.
See? Pag nasa harap na si Nene, you'll get to mention her name. Definitely. Well, so far, Sandogo, 12 attack points so far. Philippine Army with 8.
Si Nene umikot din, ano? Ateneo.
Kasi yan yung mga,
Adamson.
yan yung mga players na madaling ipasok.
Regular imports.
Yes. And, you like them because they blend easily.
It's not only skills, ano? It's chemistry, ano? Kasi si Rosas, hindi naman siya nakipag-agawan sa mga stars ng Ateneo. She was there to play defense, actually.
It's like yung tinatansya rin nila what their roles are.
Good point. Good
Diba?
point. Good point.
Hindi yung agad-agad, I'm the winner, you get me, I'll be the scorer. Hindi ganun eh.
What I've liked about Rosas is exactly what you're saying. Ano ba ang kulang nyo? And then what she did with Ateneo was combined with Gretchen, no, para lumakas ang blocking ng Ateneo in some way. In a way, that is on the line.
Jill Costillo, poor decision on her part. Well, Susain Rosas with 4 attack points, Bautista with 2.
And Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's B-League. Oh, nakasupalo ni
Hindi bumaba.
si Mayat na yun?
Yes, si Mayat Carolino.
Just go, what a family, Carolinos, playing volleyball together. Pakitos mo nga yung ulam. Pakiset ng kanin. Pakispike ng chicharon.
Ayan, yung nag-aaway na yan.
Yan, away na yan. Akin yan at bola ko yan. Mine. Takis. Ba, sinuntok lang ng isang suntok ni Rhea.
Pwede, first ball eh.
Oo.
Lenient si Ref.
Bunyag. Wally, huli ka. Jill Castillo playing that libero Torres. Just a half step, few inches short.
That's right, Nene Bautista able to evade the blockers of the Philippine Army.
Ganda pa rin lumipad ni Nene.
Oh yeah.
Ganda pa rin.
Dali Cruz and Ers Iratay coming in for Dina Salak and Mayat Carolino.
Kung pumasok si Nene o si Mick Laborde doon sa isang team, sila yung rookies bigla doon, ano? Sila yung mga youngsters doon.
Youngsters.
Navy finally winning one against FEU in one of the most unforgettable games in terms of passion.
That's right.
Just sad that somebody had to lose there. Inside by Bunyag. You're right about the fact she can be quite a factor.
Now she is to serve for the Philippine Army.
May mga player na gano'n. Sige na, star na kayo. Okay
But
lang
I
ako.
will just do my job.
Okay lang ako.
Oh, yung mga little things that you don't want to do the dirty job.
But you look, talk about the dirty job. I like what Jill Castillo is doing. She's kept the ball in the air. Without any fanfare, taas lang na taas. She did not have to do any tumbling acts. Just better position each time.
And she's a big libero.
Oh. Not the usual happy childhood libero, di ba? Cruz snaps it over. Playable. Kicked over. Rachel, one-hander. Alarca pushes it up and it was out of sync.
And the transition was just too much. Mababa lang yung pagkakabigay ni Rachel. And si Rachel, you saw her scrambling to go to position. Dahil alam niya sa kanya ibibigay eh. Jack Alarca was already near
Yeah, I agree. In hindsight, why didn't you just toss it back to the other side? Well, hindsight, of course. Better lesson. Up. Over, no? Double touch.
Double touch called against Iratay. Iratay clearing up the violation.
Marami ng bingim na naglaro dito at nagtrabaho dito sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Makinig tayo sa timeout.
Kaya na lang natin. Ano yung kaya natin gawin na mako-contribute natin dyan, gawin na. Tapos na yung play, hindi pa naman tapos na naman dalawa. Dikit pa natin, guluhin natin sila. Huwag natin hintayin pumalo ulit. Huwag natin hintayin pumalo, parang na.
Nagpapatuloy po ang ating pagtatanghal ng Shakey's Bilig, ang Sandugo San Sebastian. Yung kupunan na nakaitim at nakakulay dalandan. Rosas.
Parang masarap ang juice.
Oh. Torres. Si Roses has always been a good server. Nispin yung bola niya. She could have been a good tennis player actually.
Very athletic. Kahit anong
Sobra.
sport siguro laruin. Pwede. Sue again.
Long.
But I think that's going to stay long.
Apupuring ko lang sa'yo, Roses. Well, that's life. Castilla back in and Rachel Andakis will serve for the Army. That's now just a bit out of sorts here in the opening set. It's 24-16. Rachel Andakis, of course, winning a championship with FEU.
Lunag on the first ball.
Alarca. Well done.
And Nene Bautista using Dalian Cruz to get that point.
First set going the way of Sandugo. 25-16. Mosey, our shaky play.
Look at this. Nene Bautista, only one blocker, gets the point and gets the first set.